In this video, I will go through the process of building a Link 4 Pro system from scratch. Have a Pro controller here, 4 relay output module, couple of L-bus DIN rail here. There's a piece of DIN rail, Ethernet to Wi-Fi adapter, have a DTH over here, temperature humidity sensor, have a backup I2C temperature humidity sensor here as well, communication key, and a power supply. This power supply is 24 volt wall plug-in, but you could also use a DIN rail power supply here. So let me put that over here for a second. So first, the DIN rail, take the L-bus, you snap it in. That's a long piece. You got the short piece, snap it, and then you slide them together. Okay. Controller module, make sure that the snaps are in. You line them up like so, and you press it in. Here, snap. Here, you line them up. You snap in the 4 output module here. Okay. Then you put in the communication key. Be careful not to misinsert this module. Make sure the pin line up. Magnetic door, you snap it back in. Sensor, I2C sensor back here, I2C. Plug that in. DTH has a communication plug and power plug. This is just a test cable, but we can use that. That goes to COM1. I unplug this, unplug that, plug that in COM1. Remember the COM key that we put earlier, it went into COM1 slot. That needs to match up. I have an Ethernet to Wi-Fi module here. This being pre-programmed for my Wi-Fi setup here with SSID and password, power for the Ethernet. Okay. You got power here. I'll go ahead and plug it in. Yeah, you plug that in. The unit will power up. Okay, and you wait for the green light come on. That means it's cloud connected. While it's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and map the unit and the sensor. System setup. Scan move. Scan. 128, 191. That range is fine. Found DTH, port 1, which is this unit here. Found 168 for output module. Back out to save. Now I'm going to go and set up the sensor. Input. DTH. Port 1 T1 is fine. Okay. Temperature. I'm going to map the this sensor. This is port 2. Go down to backup. This is port 2, same sensor. Temperature, humidity. Temperature, humidity. I can go set up program equipment output. Put channel 1 as on off. Okay, I'm gonna name it fan. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on in these 3 stages. All right, cool. This is in cool 2, so I'm gonna head and fan turn on in cool 2. Okay, so temperature, humidity, and new come on. That's it. The controller setup.